if there is a keyword that is low performing,
YouTube Music Premium lets
low
you listen
perform is
uninterrupted,
low
even when your
performance
screen's off
and
or you're using other apps.
cannot
Now listening is. Get YouTube Music
cannot
Premium.
generate meaningful leads, select and mention why. So now, do you notice what the angle is here? The angle is here, the interest is in the client. The interest is in the client. And what we're trying to generate for the client, what does it mean? For leads. That's why they're hiring us. That's why they want our services because they want meaningful leads. So these ones can be high performance based upon conversions, based upon these metrics. But the question is, when they receive these high performing, because they're paying for it, when they receive it, the question to keep in mind is, I have 4 minutes there, are they meaningful leads? This is the question. Are they meaningful leads? When they'll click on it, will that conversion equal to a meaningful lead? Because it's click conversion. Conversion equals click, meaningful lead does not always equal conversion, or high conversion does not always equal to meaningful leads. And for us to find the meaningful leads, we have to know if the keywords, although they're high performing, are they attracting the right target market? Because that's what we need. We're talking about high end value. And let's go. 3 minutes there, and let's go. Let's check that. Oh, let's see. So this is what I'm teaching you. Is what I'm sharing with you here is the basics of the matter. It's the nutshell of the matter. This is what we're looking at right now. What we're searching for. So, follow me here. It says here, finance for entrepreneurs. This is a bit broad and might not directly target the luxury property market, and is more about general business finance for entrepreneurs. So does it fit the high end, even if it was too broad? But is it for high end entrepreneurs? Because entrepreneurs are from broke to billionaires. These are entrepreneurs. That's the scale, right? So it's very much broad there. Okay, get working capital. This focuses on business finance, not specifically on property finance. It's more relevant for businesses looking for operational funding. All right, let's move on. Invoice finance provider. This targets a specific type of business finance and is not related to property finance. But the thing we're seeing here, the thing that we see here, let's go back here. What does this focus on? If you want to grow your business, buy luxury assets, move quickly, and so forth, grow your business, high value international brokerage, finance, high net worth individual business owners and companies, find access competitive finance, mortgages, real estate finance, security lending, corporate finance, bridging finance, private and debt, and more. So here, this is why I'm saying we need to focus on the meta. The meta is not aligned. The meta, if it's not aligned, it's going to do that. Because if you look at the meta over here, the meta title only says luxury property finance. So if you go back to the company tells us yes, but they do look at these things. They do consider these things. So these keywords are actually there because we didn't consider the financial aspect when we were writing the meta title and description. All we said was luxury property finance. That's what the focus was, and because that was the focus, that's how the research works. So in this instance, it also teaches us one thing, and that is if we don't join, if we don't have an SEO skill set and a commercial mindset, if we don't utilize, if we don't utilize that, our clients are not going to be satisfied with us because one, we're going to push the wrong people